The UK Cybersecurity and Resilience Bill is nearly here, and compliance is more important than ever. Here's how to prepare for this vital legislation. First, security must be built in, not added later. This principle is called secure by design. Next, you need transparency in your supply chain. Producing a software bill of materials, or SBOM, is required. Think of your SBOM as a recipe for your software. You need to know every ingredient inside. Another key point is vulnerability management. Timelines for fixing issues are strict, not flexible. Then comes evidence-based assurance. You'll need logs and audit trails to prove your security. The bill isn't just about following rules, it's about better engineering habits. That's where framework training steps in. We've updated our curriculum to help you adapt. Our Docker Security Workshop explores image signing and SBOM generation best practice. Find out about our DevSecOps course, which shows you how to integrate security into your workflows seamlessly. Finally, tailor your secure coding practices to your specific language. We offer specialized workshops for Java, .NET, Python, and more. By investing in these skills, you will build a resilient business with built-in regulatory compliance. Are you ready to engage with the new regulations? Contact us today to start your journey in cybersecurity.